what I use to check the tension on my Bai embroidery machine. This is the manual Towa tension gauge. You're going to need the tension gauge, a small screwdriver. You can get these in the craft area of your local store. They come with the toolkits for the sewing machines. Or you could just get it has to be a really small screwdriver, the top, a flathead. So this is your bobbin case. You need a size L. Make sure that you get the tension gauge that's size L to go with your size L bobbin and bobbin case. My thread is going over the top of my bobbin from this side to that side, but over the top. Then I would place the bobbin case behind it and pull the thread down between the little, there's like a little crease right there, and then under that little metal piece. So it should just be moving freely at that point, and your bobbin will spin. So you don't need to take it through the pigtail. Now there's that little latch that comes up. You want that part that you can stick your finger in up towards the word Towa, and it should click right on into place. So there's these little wheels, so the thread will go under the first wheel and then over the second one, and then there's a little hook right here. So you always want to place your tension gauge on a flat surface, and then you're going to pull just slowly, and you see how it's jumping. That's a sign that there's something wrong with my bobbin case. Now it's kind of low, so I'm going to tighten it so that it'll work a little better. You want to tighten it so that your numbers fall right around 225, 250. You would tighten it by turning it. There's two little screws on the side of your bobbin. So you would stick your little screwdriver in there and turn it so that you're turning it away towards the thing to make it tighter, and towards yourself to make it looser. And there's something wrong with this bobbin case. That's why I was jumping. So you can see this little red. It'll start going up and down really quickly. See, I can't get it to regulate, and it's not pulling evenly. So there's something, I don't know what, but there's something wrong. So you would need to, at that point, replace your bobbin case. So I'm going to try a new bobbin case. I already knew that one was broken, but I wanted to show an example. So I got a new bobbin case. The thread goes over the top of the bobbin. The bobbin comes behind. The bobbin goes in from the front. The bobbin case behind it, through the little notch and around under the band. So we'll place it back. This is a brand new bobbin case. We'll put it in the Towa gauge. Thread goes under here, over here, and around. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to pull evenly. See, it's not jumping, it's not doing anything. And we want to regulate it to about 225. So I would tighten it slightly. And we're done. There's a little knife right there that you could actually use to cut your thread, so it's not all this extra thread hanging off.